Hi, in this lecture we're going to have a live demonstration of the Find a Tender portal. So what we do is pop in Find a Tender. So I've done this before, so it's going to come up for me. So what you need to do is scroll to the government site. There are loads of other sites up there, but you want to avoid those and just go straight to the government site. You know it's the UK government site because it ends with gov.uk. So if you click on it, it takes you to the link to start searching. So click on Start Now. And this takes you to the findatender.services.gov.uk site. So you do have the option to sign in. Great to sign in because if you do that, you will get regular updates. So when new requirements come that meet your specification, then you get a live alert and you get this free of charge. So this is definitely something worth registering and signing up for. You'll find that this portal works almost exactly like the Contracts Finder portal. The only difference with this one is that the threshold, the value of contracts, is much higher than Contracts Finder. So we're going to pop in security. And press search. So my search results show me that I have 2,121 notices, which is great, but that's a lot of notices. So what I want to do is filter this a little, and I'll show you how I do it to get the best results. So for one, you want pipeline future opportunities and opportunities, but you do not want awarded contracts because these contracts have already been let. In order to find definitions of what this means, just click on the definitions tab. And this tells you that these are future opportunities or upcoming opportunities. There's some dialogue going ahead. The next one is opportunity. So this is buyers looking for potential suppliers to fulfill the contract, accepting bids until closing date. So these are live contracts. So this is what you want to look at. And the awarded contracts are those that have already been awarded. So you don't want those. You just want the ones that are future or current opportunities. Most authorities use Future Opportunities tab for market engagement, so you definitely want to check those out because you have an opportunity to go over and meet the supplier and help shape the specification and find out more about what they want, so that's quite useful.